We have been in this trading business too long to know that there is no holy grail. All we do at NP Financials is look for trade opportunities that present higher probability than average. Successful Forex traders at NP Financials utilize time-tested and time-proven proprietary trading strategies. To us, entering and existing the markets with a well-developed plan is the key to earn profits and build a sustainable income from this exciting business of trading in international currencies. Our successful Forex traders are trained to know that success comes from following sound trading principles rather than guessing what will work best, and we do so by employing an effective strategy tailored specifically for their needs. You will be getting the following as the offerings from this course. 1. Full-time professional trader from NPF will be your mentor. 2. You will be trained in all aspects of Forex trading. 3. You will get 24 one-on-one coaching sessions of 30 minutes each. 4. You will be attending 4 monthly group classes of 2 hours each. 5. You will have private access to our corporate membership portal. 6. Additional access to our most successful trade ideas, which have generated 53,358 points from the markets in the last 70 months, which equals to 762 average points per month and 88 average pips per trade. Get started by visiting us at www.npfinancials.com.au/forex-trading-program.